Hey there! Navigating through the maze of regulatory guidelines of the medical devices rules could be an overwhelming experience for many. Indian Regulatory Series is an effort of CliniExperts trying to make this clear and easy to understand. Global medical devices companies who want to sell in India but do not have their business operations or partner in India can do so by appointing an authorized agent. An authorized agent, like CliniExperts, will be responsible for the import and business activities of the foreign company in India, including compliance to the provisions of the Medical Device Rules 2017 in all respects. CliniExperts offers support for import assistance and custom clearance, support in recognizing potential distributors for launching products in India, warehouse and CFA support for product distribution, support related to legal certifications and post-marketing surveillance queries. Having an agent like CliniExperts means that you can be sure of possessing a valid wholesale license, filing an application in Form MD14 to the Central Licensing Authority, making an application to the Central Licensing Authority for the renewal of the license, taking responsibility for all legal certifications and queries related to post-market surveillance. A bit of expert advice concerning the import of medical devices: the foreign manufacturer has to submit power of attorney, allowing the authorized agent to import their products in India on their behalf, free sale certificate of their finished product from country of origin as well as from any of the GHTF countries, the documentary evidence at the time of grant of license and subsequently as and when needed. Get in touch with us to know more.